Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about conditional operator, part of programming in C course. The conditional operator, also known as ternary operator in C, is a shorthand for an if-else statement. It is represented by the symbol question mark and colon and has the following syntax. The condition is evaluated first. If it is true, then the expression 1 is executed and its value is returned as the result of the entire conditional operator. If the condition is false, the expression 2 is executed and its value is returned as the result of the entire conditional operator. Here is an example of the conditional operator in C. In this example, x is greater than y is the condition. If it is true, x is the value returned and assigned to max. Otherwise, y is the value returned and assigned to max. Another example is to assign the value of one variable to another based on the certain condition. In this example, x is greater than y is the condition. If it is true, x is the value assigned to z. Otherwise, y is the value assigned to z. The conditional operator can also be used in a more complex expressions. For example, in this example, the ternary operator is used to check if x and y are greater than 0. If yes, it will return the greater value, otherwise it will return 0. It is important to note that the conditional operator has a lower precedence than the most other operators. So it is important to use parentheses to ensure the intended order of evaluation. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.